Easy keto flan microwave style. First things first, grab a microwave-safe cup. Trust me, it's essential. I learned the hard way when my regular glass jar ended up shattered, causing a whole mess in the microwave. Lesson learned. Now mix 1 tablespoon of sweetener, like xylitol, with a bit of water, just enough to dissolve it. Around 2 teaspoons should do. The list of ingredients, tips, and more to save or print will be available in this recipe's post down below in the first link of the description. To amp up the syrup's color, toss in some instant coffee, vanilla extract, or cinnamon, or maybe a combo of these. I went with about half a teaspoon of instant coffee. Mix it all in until you're happy with the color. Keep in mind, the more you add, the stronger the flavor. Pop the mixture in the microwave for 30-second bursts, giving it a stir in between until it's all nicely blended. Let it cool down a bit and thicken up. Then, coat the sides of your mug, about halfway up, by swiveling the cup around or using a spoon. Leave a bit at the bottom. Now, let it chill while we prep the batter. In a bowl, crack open an egg and give it a good whisk until it's all smooth. This step's crucial to prevent any egg explosions in the microwave, trust me. Add in 1 tablespoon of sweetener, sugar, honey, or molasses and mix it all up. If you're using honey or molasses, make sure they're nice and runny. Maybe zap them in the microwave for 10 seconds. By the way, if you enjoy healthy, straightforward, and delicious recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. That way, you'll ensure you receive the recipes and also support the channel. Next, pour in half a cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. Mix it all up until it's nice and smooth. Grab your mug with the caramelized syrup. Make sure it's cooled down completely, or else your batter might start cooking too soon. Pour in the flan batter halfway into the mug. It might puff up during cooking, so don't overfill it. Now pop it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes and 30 seconds on low power. If your microwave doesn't have a low power option, use the defrost setting. Check it every 30 seconds with a fork. If it comes out clean, it's good to go. Keep an eye on it though. If it starts rising too much, lower the power or it's probably done. Once it's done, let it cool in the mug until it's room temp. Then stick it in the fridge for at least an hour until it's nice and chilled. Carefully flip it out onto a plate or just enjoy it straight from the mug. Either way, dig in and enjoy your tasty keto flan.